Hi, Paul here, and I've got an assignment to write. Yep, 1,500 words on a topic. So, what I'm going to do is go through the process of writing an assignment, and you'll come along that journey with me. So, what is the assignment? Okay, my assignment is to explore the multiple factors involved in providing quality healthcare for people with type 2 diabetes in rural and regional Australia. Okay, now, the assignment allowed me to choose the health issue, but the focus is on rural and regional Australia and particularly Aboriginal and Torres Strait Island people. Now, what I must do is make sure that I clearly understand what's required of me and the assignment. So I need now to have a look at the rubric. So if you look here, we can see the assignment is marked out of 40, and it's in fact 50% of the final grade. So it's pretty important. Also, for each of the elements in the assignment that's been marked, 0 for something that's inadequate, through to 5 for something that's highly competent. Okay, so let's have a look at what those elements are. First of all, the purpose of writing. The topic, is it appropriate? Thesis, the context, am I writing the appropriate audience, and the genre of my writing? The content, is the information and data that I gather appropriate? Do I show I understand the concepts? Examples and illustrations that I provide, are they appropriate? Are they sourced appropriately? Are they relevant? Do they show authority? In terms of analysis, is my analysis logic? Is it evidence-based? Do I provide specific cases? Is there creativity in the way that I think? Criticality is very, very important. Reflexivity and evaluation, are those evident? Now, the citations, placement, and the formatting of the assignment is also very important. 5 points overall. We're using APA 7. So I've got to make sure that everything is done. It's very time consuming, and we do need to leave enough time to do this, but it is worth that extra time. Now, the sources that I use, are they credible? Is it current? Now, I've been given from 2010, and I have to provide a minimum of 10 credible sources. So I've got to make sure they are credible. This we'll talk about later. And am I paraphrasing, summarizing, and synthesizing the information that I bring into my assignment appropriately? And am I demonstrating academic integrity? I am not cheating. I am showing the examiner that it's my work and my thinking. Okay. Do I have the right tables and figures that support the evidence that I'm providing within my assignment? Have I appropriately formatted them? And finally, am I a good academic writer? Do I use appropriate sources? Is my writing formal? Is it precise, concise, clear in meaning? And does it flow, and is it cohesive? All of these elements are very, very important. So, okay, I've got my head around that. What's next? Well, the next stage is to find some information. And where do I find that information? Where do I find the sources of information? Well, we've got the library's catalogue. We can use Google Scholar carefully. And there are other databases that are available to us through the library. I'll go into this later, not just now. The final message is about critical thinking. We in academia, we do not accept what we are told, what we read, without questioning everything. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.